Every day, more of manufacturing's expertise is walking out the door. As experienced professionals retire, decades of plant-specific knowledge go with them. Processes refined over years, shortcuts learned on the job, insights that keep production running smoothly, gone in an instant. With the average workforce age climbing, the question becomes clear. How do you capture what your experts know before it's lost for good? That's where Snowflake and Conversational AI come together. By combining powerful data access with natural language interaction, manufacturers can preserve critical knowledge and make it available to everyone. New staff can train faster, frontline teams can solve problems in real time, and operations can run up to 60% more efficiently, because experience becomes part of the system, not just the person. When knowledge flows freely, experience never retires, and the next generation of manufacturing stays stronger than ever. Snowflake and Conversational AI, capturing expertise, connecting teams, and helping manufacturing knowledge live on.